For inside mount type or the ceiling mount type, you will find 3 kinds of brackets in the package. This is the bracket for the valance truck, and these 2 kinds of the brackets is for the curtain truck. This is the adjustable curtain truck. You can open it. The bracket with the letter L is for the left side. The bracket with letter S is for the right side. And this is the bracket for the valance truck. This is how we install the bracket for the inside or the ceiling mount type of the curtain. For outside mount type of the curtains, you need to assemble all the brackets together first. First, put the bracket on the top of the truck. Then assemble all the brackets together. Last step, assemble the bracket of the valance truck.